I am Kurt Donald Cobain, born on February 20th, 1967, in Aberdeen, Washington. Aberdeen was gray, poor, and quiet in a way that made you feel invisible. As a child, I was happy once, before my parents divorced. After that, I felt like I was being passed around, unwanted, like a burden. That fracture stayed with me forever. I was sensitive in a world that rewarded toughness. I didn't fit in at school. I was bullied, misunderstood, and constantly angry at myself for feeling so much. Music became my escape. The Beatles showed me melody. Punk rock showed me that you didn't have to be perfect to be heard. You just had to be honest. That idea saved my life, and later, it destroyed it. In 1987, I formed Nirvana. It wasn't about success. It was about release. I wanted the music to sound raw, imperfect, almost uncomfortable, because that's how life felt to me. When we recorded Bleach, we had nothing but passion and frustration. No one expected what came next. In 1991, Nevermind changed everything. Smells Like Teen Spirit was supposed to be a joke, a mockery of mindless rebellion. Instead, it became an anthem. Overnight, I was famous. Not just famous, idolized. I became the reluctant face of Generation X, a role I never wanted and never understood. Fame felt like a trap. I hated interviews. I hated being misunderstood. I hated seeing my pain turned into marketing. The pressure was constant, and my physical pain was real. Severe stomach problems that doctors couldn't explain. Heroin wasn't about getting high. It was about quieting the pain, inside and out. I fell in love with Courtney Love, chaotic and intense like me. Together, we had our daughter, Frances Bean Cobain. She gave me moments of clarity, moments where I believed I could be better. But addiction and depression don't disappear just because you love someone. I tried rehab. I tried escaping the spotlight. I tried fighting myself, but the weight never lifted. On April 5th, 1994, in Seattle, my life ended at 27 years old. My death was ruled as suicide. The world questioned it, analyzed it, argued over it. But what mattered most was the pain I couldn't outrun. I wasn't seeking death. I was seeking relief. I never wanted to be a hero. I never wanted to be a symbol. I just wanted to feel understood. My music survived me. Honest, broken, and loud. And maybe that's enough.